Ever wondered how you can turn your kitchen into a science lab? Today, we're doing 3 super easy experiments using things you probably already have. Let's dive in. First up, the magic milk experiment. Grab a dish, milk, food coloring, and dish soap. Pour the milk, add food coloring, then touch with a soapy cotton swab. Watch the colors swirl and dance. What's happening? The soap breaks up the fat molecules in the milk, causing a burst of movement and a tiny rainbow on your plate. Next, let's make a balloon rocket. Get some string, a straw, tape, and a balloon. Thread the string through the straw, tape the balloon on, pull the string tight, blow up the balloon, and let it go. Balloon shoots along the string like a rocket. That's Newton's third law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. The air pushes the balloon forward. Our final experiment is a fizzy volcano. Grab baking soda, vinegar, and a container. Add baking soda, pour in vinegar, and step back. Watch the bubbling eruption. The fizz comes from a chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar, releasing carbon dioxide gas. See? Science is simple, with color bursts, rockets, and eruptions, all from household items. Try these with your family and discover something new. Ready for your next experiment? Gather your materials and let curiosity lead the way.